Huh.
Okay.
All these are JavaScript applications.
And all these JavaScript applications, yes, backend and front end. Backend is based on Express and front end is based on React. And nowadays, all the JavaScript applications have a package.json file.
Huh. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you see the package.json, go inside the Visual Studio Code and open a package.json for backend,
Back.
not package lock, the
Near, down, down.
package.json.
Sorry.
It's there right below
Yeah.
package.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one. Okay. If you see, it has something called dependencies.
Huh.
Huh. Huh.
Okay. And
Huh.
dependencies means it is using these all utilities, JavaScript based utilities for this project to work. Okay. Now this is an Express application. So you can see that there is an Express dependency.
Yeah. Express version is also there, 4.21.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then there is body parser and then there is PG. All these are dependencies.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is the software, JavaScript software it is using from the open source world for making this application work. Okay. Now, where can you find this JavaScript dependencies if you want to look it up?
I didn't understand. Where?
Okay. These are node packages.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. These are called node packages.
Okay.
Okay. And what happens with node packages is that there is something called node package manager that we have to work with. Okay, in order to maintain these packages and upgrade these packages or run an application based on these packages. This is basically a node application at this moment. So if you go to a website called npmjs.com,
Yes, you have shown us.
npmjs.com, not .js.com, npmjs, just npmjs.com. Yeah. Search for Express here. Yeah. So yeah, the first result is Express below. So open that. So this is the package it is installing when you say npm install. Okay. Now package.json contains a list of all the software that is needed, and when you do an npm install, it will actually get that copy from GitHub and put it locally in your folder so that you can run that. Okay, for your application to work, Express needs to be there and it also needs to run. So when you do an npm install, it does all these things, and when you do an npm run, that time it uses all these things. So far, so good.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Any question?
No.
No, it
Okay.
is clear.
So since node modules is only locally needed, and when you do a GCP deployment, it will anyways create an npm install there. You don't need to commit it to Git.
Huh.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Every
Yeah.
time you don't need to commit it to Git.
Hmm.
So if you actually commit it to Git, it's a problem because it will come in the way of, you know, installing it in GCP. So if you see a git ignore file will actually have something called in node modules so that it will not commit this to Git. Okay, we'll have to create a git ignore file for this software, which will ensure it does not commit in node modules to Git.
How do I create that?
Particular folder,
I
you will
lost
have to
your
do an
voice,
npm
Dhaval.
install,
One
and that
second.
will create node modules, but this will only be local. So it will only be local and it will not be committed.
Okay. I think in
Okay.
the middle we
So
lost your
now,
voice. Hello.
Dhaval ji? Dhaval ji?
Dhaval ji, are you there?
Dhaval ji is there, but his voice is not there.
Uh,
yeah, I'm there. Just a minute. Okay, there is some environment internet issue.
okay.
So now you create one more file.
Huh.
Okay, right click on the left hand explorer.
Come to mentor.
Yeah, right click in an empty area. Okay, or file, go to file new,
New file?
a new file.
That is coming inside backend, front end.
No.
That's okay. No, it's not inside backend.
Hmm.
It's not inside backend.
Hmm.
Okay, do
Huh.
right click, new file,
Yeah, new file.
dot
Oh shit.
git ignore.
Dot git
Git
ignore.
ignore.
And write node modules here, node underscore.
Hey, it has come.
Huh. Save this file. Yes. So now Git will never commit. Whatever you put in Git ignore, it will never commit. Okay. So now I think that issue is resolved. Go to the front end back end folder. Open both of them. So I am quite interested in why it's generating a package lock outside. Did you do an npm install outside?
Uh, no, I have done it inside
Because
the
both the
backend.
folders are having its own package lock.
No. So if you see here,
Okay, show me package.json of backend.
backend ka package.json.
Yeah, it's not able to find a package.json outside. Yeah, so that's why so open package lock, which is there outside. Yeah, this one. Okay, so it is not actually doing anything here. So remove that actually, remove that package lock. Delete.
What is the purpose of this package lock, Dhavalji?
Package lock acts like a version lock. Okay, let us say you are using React 16 and Express 4 and MongoDB 5 and Postgre client 8. Now, this is the combination that is working for your software.
Okay.
Okay, that means that it should not automatically upgrade your software even if there is a new version outside.
Okay.
Otherwise, your software might stop working.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, what will happen is your software will stop working if outside version is upgraded. For example, um, let's say instead of Express 4, Express 5 is introduced.
Oh.
Okay. And suddenly it does not work with Node 17 that you are using.
Huh.
What will happen to your software without you doing anything?
Will crash.
It will stop working. Okay. Because the known configuration has become outdated. Okay, so package lock ensures that it captures the working version of everything inside your software and keeps it like that. Only you can commit a new package lock
Oh.
and say that this is the working tree now.
Huh. Huh.
So if you see here, the world, I in the backend folder, I have done npm install. But why it came in the front end, I have no clue. The node
You
modules.
would have done an npm install there as well, otherwise it will not come.
Okay, because yeah, the front end maybe that must have been long ago.
Yes, yes. Okay. So now what you do is do a git branch here. It's not showing any branch, is it? In mentor me do
Oh,
a git branch.
1 second. No, it's not showing anything in the mentor mate.
Okay. So for that, we might have to actually add a branch to the origin. Let me check it out.
What are you searching, Gigi?
Gave us a set of commands right long ago. I shared it, I think. Just looking at
Search Git, no?
a lot of gits are there. Um,
No. Go little bit.
no, not here. Today's thing. It's okay.
Okay, so create, basically, you've done the git init, right?
Here, yeah, I think, yeah. Should I say
Do
git
git init
status?
once more.
What should I do?
Git init once
INIT.
more. Okay, so it is having an existing Git repository here now. Now let us connect it to remote.
Git remote -v.
Is this correct?
Is it correct, Davalji?
No, wait a minute. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so I will paste the command here.
Okay.
Zoom. Gigi, Zoom. Copy from Zoom chat.
Zoom chat, I have opened it. He didn't see it.
Yeah, so I am pasting it.
In the chat, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That one I have to ignore, right?
Yes. And rectify the correct spelling of Guruji AI 25
Guruji
account.
dot
No, hyphen, yeah.
hyphen.
Hyphen if you. What is that git at GitHub?
That is actually the GitHub address of this.
Okay, Guruji AI 25 mentormate ms.git. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, now do a git status.
Did I do status?
Okay, so git add all. So git
Git.
add space dot. No, remove all. Space dot. Space and dot, yeah.
Yeah.
Now do a git commit space dash.
Oh, wait.
It's okay. It's okay. Now write press I.
No, that command line didn't come for me yet.
No, it's there. Press I. Go down.
Okay.
Press I.
No.
Yeah. Now say initial commit of MentorMate app.
That's all?
Press escape.
Huh.
Press colon.
You mean semicolon?
No, colon.
Yeah.
Yeah. WQ.
Yeah.
Enter. So now it has created the repository. Now and committed the code. Now do this. I have pasted the command.
It gave an error.
What is the account address? Can you verify?
It's Guruji AI 25, right? There is. Yeah, here. Guruji hyphen AI hyphen 20.
Hyphen 25, correct.
And there is a. This is what I have to give.
No. Go to GitHub CLI.
GitHub CLI. Yeah.
And go to SSH.
What are all these things, Dhavalji? HTTPS, SSH.
Yeah, those are all the different ways through which you can interact with Git, but SSH is the secure way of doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't have any public keys here. So I don't think we'll be able to commit it using this way. Go back to Visual Studio.
Yesterday, the Carnegie used that HTTPS.
He used this one. This is the one he used. The one Carnegie used.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, so click on master here. I don't know why it is still showing master. Can you close the entire Visual Studio and open it again?
Oh, my Visual Studio has gone.
Yeah, nothing is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now if you go to source control, I think we have added an origin in this way, right? That is a problem. So I would want to update an origin. Let me do it by SSH, sorry, HTTPS now. Mm.
How come now again the branch master comes, Dhavalji?
Master is there locally is what Dhaval said. We didn't delete it locally maybe.
Yeah, type git branch now here in the PowerShell.
Master is the current.
So it's not getting connected.
It's not getting connected to remote.
Just a minute. So first let us remove the origin. So I will paste the command.
Git, git remote rm origin.
Yeah.
Now type this one.
Pardon? Okay.
Now type this one.
Copy paste git remote add origin.
Okay, now do a git push like this.
Same git push u origin main.
Yeah.
Same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh. Huh?
Okay. So just a minute. Go to GitHub repository on github.com. Code HTTPS. Go to the end of the code there. Okay, mentormate ms.git. Yeah, copy this URL actually. And I'll see ref git push ref
Correct.
spec
Same thing.
does not match. Okay, so do a git status now first. Okay, everything is there. So say git branch, sorry, git checkout dash b.
B.
No. Or actually, don't even do this. Just say git pull. Git space pull. Let's see if it is able to pull at all. Very good. So it is pulling now. It pulled the main branch as well. So now let us merge this into the main branch. Okay. So git merge. So go to git, actually git checkout main. Go to main branch. git space checkout space main. Do this and git merge
Wow.
master.
Nice. Oh.
But it's saying refusing to merge
Hmm.
unrelated histories. Okay. That's because both of them have different histories.
What
Okay.
does it mean by history, Dolji?
Yeah. History means we did a lot of things locally which are not actually um, reflecting in the remote origin. So that is the problem. But anyways, don't worry about it. So do a git status here. Okay, do a git add. No, git, I think there is a typo there.
It got.
Oh, sorry.
Git add
Hmm.
dot.
What is it doing, Dolji?
It's adding all these files to this commit.
Wow. Only one dot is doing so many things.
Dot means all.
Okay.
Add all the files. But the problem is that it's also committing the node modules here. So it's
Oh.
not good. Do a control C.
Okay.
That means it lost our git ignore. Go to the folder here,
Which
folder structure here. Oh yeah, it's not having the git ignore. That's why it's all doing all these things. So create that git ignore.
we created we have
Ah.
created, right?
It's okay, but I think it lost it somewhere. So just yeah, just add node modules.
Node underscore modules. Save.
Yeah.
No,
Now do a
but how
git.
did we lose it? Any idea?
It did not merge properly from uh,
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
but the
So,
problem is that in backend and front end there are only node module folder. There is nothing else. Go expand the backend and front end.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's not good. Okay. So
oh,
I think
Where did other all the
they are
code?
in master branch. They are not in main branch.
okay. So now I'll give you the best trick forever. Okay. Delete backend, front end, git ignore, and readme. Delete everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Read me also.
Read me also.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I think it will take time. But meanwhile, is there anything else that can be done?
No, we have to wait because once it deletes, we will have to switch branch.
Dhavalji, yesterday you were telling about the GPT infos that you can share so that we can be ready to meet teachers.
Yeah, so what I wanted to basically make the life of teachers easy and your life easy is that, you might be providing a lot of details and context and whatnot to it and do a lot of experimentation. But the way it is going to work very nice is when you give a lot of instructions to GPT. Okay, so I will share my screen quickly.
Ji, Dhavalji is sharing screen.
Now, 1 second. I'll stop sharing.
So let's say we are generating a lesson on states of matter. So let me just refer to google.com.
Wow, curiosity.